After the hottest June and July in climate history, the effects are now being felt here. Greenland's ice sheet is the biggest in the northern hemisphere, and it's in meltdown. When large chunks fall off vast glaciers, they call it calving. The placid water surrounding it is dramatically disrupted, causing large waves. All of this is a warning sign for the world.
With the climate changing so fast, it's just increasing this change day by day. I can see it in this just 5 years' time, how much has been increasing the melting every year more and more.
No one has noticed the speed of change here more than Niccolo. He's been bringing groups to this glacier in southeastern Greenland for years.
When the scientists talk about 1 degree warmer, then you really get the importance of how much will change. With 1 degree, here you melt ice, and with -1 Celsius, you would create ice. So this 1 degree, and now even more of changes around the globe, then you will change dramatically a big area.
It might all seem distant geographically to us, but what happens in Greenland has consequences for everyone.
This is what they call the defrosting season here in Greenland, and every month billions of tons of ice are melting away. But each time just 1 ton breaks off. The sea levels rise and the entire planet is affected.
It is a colossal mission lasting 5 years. But this team from NASA is measuring exactly how much the North Atlantic is heating up.
It's fallen about 165 meters and temperature's now warming. That's the typical behavior when the probe hits the bottom.
The campaign is called OMG, Oceans Melting Greenland. And 5 News was given access on board as the scientists used these probes to collect the most accurate data about temperature.
The water that's around Greenland that's in contact with the glaciers is sort of upside down. There's a layer of cold water on top of a layer of warm water. And it's that warm water that's really threatening the glaciers. So to measure it, you have to actually take a thermometer and put it in the water.
About 10 seconds.
Putting the probes in the water requires precision.
Drop.
14's away.
It quickly reaches the ocean, like this one on an earlier flight, before data is eventually sent back to the plane.
It's not like all hope is lost. I don't wake up every morning crying. But the fact is that we have to work really hard, really quickly, if we want to avoid the worst of the impacts of climate change.
The very worst would see sea levels worldwide rise by 25 feet if all of the ice sheet here melted. Greenland's present is determining the planet's future.